Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you just a little trick that will help you to copy files from one location to another. So are you ready? Let's get started. So let's say, as you can see here in my desktop, I have a folder that contains some folders and some files. So if I click on this folder here, if I go to properties, so I can see it contains almost 2252 files. So let's say that we want to copy these files or this folder to another location. So I will open, for example, this location here, and the simplest way to copy files actually is just to drag and drop. So if I drag and drop my folder here, so you will see it takes some time. Okay, so it's almost 5 seconds, as you can see here, and files are getting copied. But the most effective way to do that is actually to compress this folder in order to make it just one file. As you can see here, I compress it using WinRAR, so I get just one file. Then of course I can copy this file here very easily. So now if I copy my file here, so it's almost instantly, so there is no delay, nothing to wait for. So it's better if you want to copy a bunch of files from one location to another. It's better actually to compress this folder first, then to copy this file, this compressed file, to the location that you want, because Windows actually treated one big file easily than treating a lot of files separately. So that was just a little trick that you can use if you are copying a bunch of files, especially if they are small in size and the number of files is actually very big. So that was just a brief trick that you can use in your daily routines. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.